Hey guys, it's LT here. I'm gonna give you a quick workout today you can do right from the comfort of your own home. A couple of these movements I just did with my virtual class, but I just wanted to put it on YouTube and Facebook and probably Instagram as well, just so anybody can do it, because I know you're home, have nothing to do, and just in case you need a workout, here you go. So as always, before you do any type of workout, you should do some type of active stretching. So I'm gonna take you through that real quick. And then we're gonna do about 3 exercises, and we're gonna do, I think, 2 rounds. But you're more than welcome to do more than 2 rounds with this workout. All right, so let's start with first loosening up the hips. Okay, so the hips and the shoulders is the most important. The hips and the shoulders is the most important areas you wanna do active stretching with when you're working out. So let's start with the hips first. All right, so your hands are gonna be behind you, like here. The legs are gonna be open. Okay, now you're gonna do is twist here and twist here. Twist here, twist here. Twist, twist, twist. And just so you can see it from the front view, come here, twist in here, twist in there. Hopefully you can see it. Here and there, there and there. All right, that's a good way to loosen up your hips. Okay, so a lot of other stretches you can do, but I'm just trying to keep it pretty simple and pretty quick. All right, now to loosen up your shoulders, you can get something like a pole or a broomstick. Okay, so you're gonna come here, go back, come up, back and up, back and up, back and up. Even if you can go all the way back, you can go all the way back if you can. If not, don't worry about it, it's okay. Here, so this is great to loosen up those shoulders. All right, so that's the 2 stretches we're gonna do. Now, if you need to, you can do that, or you should probably even do more than once. You can do that more than once, okay? You can pause the video and go back to it and do it a couple times just to get you nice and loose. I'm already kind of loose because I just finished the class, all right? So today we're gonna do lunges or squats. We're gonna do a reverse lunge or squat. It's up to you, whichever one you're more comfortable with. If you have knee problems, you definitely probably wanna stick to the squat. If you don't have knee problems, you can do the lunge, okay? And then we're gonna do dips, so you're gonna need a chair. We're gonna do seated dips in the chair, all right? And then we're gonna do side touchdowns and jumping jacks. So this is how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna time you for 30 seconds on each exercise, okay? So we're gonna keep doing the exercise for a whole 30 seconds. How about that, okay? If you're doing the lunges, I'm gonna do the lunges. I'll show you the squats. I'll do a set of the squats, and then I'll go into the lunges. So I'll show you both of them, okay? So let's go ahead and let me show you that real quick now before we get started, okay? So squats, you can even use a chair for squats, so it can help you to squat if you're not sure how to squat. But a squat is just like sitting in a chair. So you come down and up. So touch the chair, but you don't have to sit down in it, right? So touch, come on, touch and up, touch and up, all right? So that's a squat. You don't need the chair, you don't have to have the chair, right? You can sit down, squat and up, squat and up, squat and up. Got that? Okay, a lunge, just in case you don't know the lunges, a couple different ways to do it, but I'm doing a reverse lunge today because this is already what I had set up for the program. So we come here, going back, coming up, back and up, back and up, okay? Now, since with the lunges, you gotta do both sides. Let's go ahead and do 8 lunges on each side, okay? Let me write that down so I won't forget. So we're gonna do 8 lunges on each side, and then we'll just keep going back and forth doing 30 seconds, okay? And for the dips, same thing in the chair. Sit in the chair, down and up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, the whole 30 seconds. Okay, then the last exercise we're gonna do is either jumping jacks, or if you have knee problems, you can do a side touchdown. All right, let me show you how that works. So you know what a jumping jack is. Everybody knows what a jumping jack is. Come here like that, right? Now side touchdown. So you can see me. A side touchdown, you come to the side, touch here, or here. Here, 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 here. All right, so if you have knee problems, stick to, you can try the jumping jack, but if you have knee problems, more than likely the jumping jack is gonna hurt your knees, so go ahead and probably stick to the side touchdown, all right? All right, so let's get this party started. Again, we're gonna start with Again, we're gonna start with the squats or the lunges, whichever one. We're only gonna do 30 seconds, okay? I'm gonna be nice to you. In my class, we do a minute, half to two, but I want this to be short and sweet, so we just do 30 seconds. All right, so we're doing 30 seconds, and I'm gonna put it on 35 seconds just to give you time to get ready. Oh, man. All right, so it's a 10-second countdown, so get ready. All right? So I'm gonna do lunges, you can do squats, it's up to you which one you wanna do. 3, 2, 1, all right? So with the lunges, I'm gonna do only 8 reps. Okay, so I can do both sides, it's 2, it's 3, 4, and your knee don't have to touch the ground. 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, all right? Here you go. 1, I'm gonna show you the other side. Facing you, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, time ran out. I'm gonna finish up this side though. 7, one more, 8. Outstanding, relax. Alrighty, the next exercise we're doing is, the dips in the chair, okay? Got 10-second countdown. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 2, 3, you got this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 15 more seconds, okay? 13, 14, 15. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Relax. Alrighty. Great job, great job. If you did that, great job. Next exercise we're doing is jumping jacks or side touchdowns, okay? I think I might do a set of both. I got 30 seconds, so jumping jacks go pretty fast. So I'm gonna do a set of both, but it's up to you. If you can't do jumping jacks, it's fine. Just do side touchdowns, okay? Actually, I'll start the side touchdowns with you. Let's do that. All right, you got 10 seconds before we start. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Side touchdowns is here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do 80s and I'm gonna do jumping jacks, okay? 5, good job. 6, 7. Keep doing that. Got 15 seconds left. I'm gonna do jumping jacks. 5, 4, 3. Alrighty, relax. Good job. How did that feel? That was great. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you a 30-second break, okay? That was one round. Now we're gonna do one more round. This time, this time we're gonna do 2 minutes, but we're gonna go through all 3 of the exercises, okay? So we're doing 2 minutes, but we're gonna go through all 3 exercises. Let's go ahead and keep these, let's do 8 reps of every exercise. That way we can know what repetitions we're doing, but we can go right through them. So we're gonna do 8 reps of squats or lunges, right? 8 reps of dips, 8 reps of side touchdowns or jumping jacks. Don't forget that if you're doing lunges, you gotta do both sides, all right? Outstanding. So we got 2 minutes for this, 2 minutes. All right, so 10-second countdown, and we're starting with lunges or squats, okay? 2 minutes, and we're gonna do 8 reps. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gotta do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now I gotta do dips. All right, dips for 8 reps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, side touchdowns or jumping jacks. I'm gonna do jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we got a minute left. So instead of lunges, this time I'm gonna do squats. All right, 3, for 1. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, going to this. We got 52 seconds left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Outstanding. 40 seconds left. Jumping jacks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Already 30 seconds left. I'm starting back over again for my third round. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 seconds left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 3, 2, 1. All right, good job. Complete that workout. Great job. Now this video right now is at 11 minutes, so if you need to do another set, go ahead and do another set. Again, you're doing lunges, dips, side touchdowns, or jumping jacks. So I hope this helps you to get active. Remember, stay safe, stay in the house, but don't make that as an excuse not to get active, to get fit, because this is the most important time to be doing something for your health. This LT Fit. Have a great day.